And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you an easy time skip glitch effect. I've got a simple clip right here, and I'm going to cut it. So I'll use C for the cut tool, and I'll only go one frame forward with the right arrow key, cut it again. And now I'll go 3 frames to the right, cut it again, and once more 1 frame. So I've got these two 1 frame elements, and in the middle a 3 frame element, and I'll delete the middle element, so the bigger one. I use the selection tool for that. And now I just close the gaps and I copy them holding Alt, and I use the right mouse key while holding Alt. And this creates this typical time skip glitch. In the middle part that I've made 3 frames long here, it determines the intensity. So let me show this again, and I only create a middle part that has 2 frames instead of 3. So it's the same process. I use C for the cut tool and V for the selection tool, and I hold Alt to copy them, close all the gaps. Now let me play it again. So the first effect is much more intense or much more aggressive because it has a bigger gap of 3 frames, and the second one only has 2 frames as a gap. So find something that fits your footage, and you also want to synchronize that to your music. It's often used when the beat drops or when you've got this typical trap beat. But this is the basic process of creating this time skip glitch effect. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.